If you're just getting started in Blender, learning how to navigate the viewport is one of the most important things you can do. It makes everything faster, easier, and a lot less frustrating. In this video, I'll walk you through the basic Blender navigation controls step by step, so you can rotate, pan, zoom, and move around your scene with confidence. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Blender tutorials. Let's get into it. To rotate the view, click and hold the middle mouse button, also called MMB, and move your mouse. This lets you look around your scene from any angle. To pan the view, hold Shift and the middle mouse button, then drag your mouse side to side or up and down. This moves the viewport without rotating it, which is really useful when you want to keep your angle but shift your view. To zoom in or out, you can roll the mouse wheel or hold Control and the middle mouse button and move the mouse up or down. If you want to focus on a specific object, press the period key on the Numpad to frame the selected object. That instantly snaps your view to whatever you have selected. Blender also gives you quick orthographic views with the Numpad keys. Press 1 for front view, 3 for right view, and 7 for top view. If you want to flip to the opposite side of the current view, press 9 on the Numpad. Another useful shortcut is Numpad 5, which toggles between perspective and orthographic view. Orthographic view removes depth distortion, so it's especially helpful when you need precise modeling or alignment. If you want to move through your scene like a character in a game, press Shift and the tilde key to enter fly or walk navigation. Then use WASD to move around and explore the scene more freely. If you ever feel lost, press Home to zoom out and fit all objects in the scene into your viewport. And if you need to center your view on the world origin, press Alt and Home. You can also use the Navigation Gizmo in the top right corner of the viewport. Just click and drag the colored X, Y, and Z axes to snap your view quickly. And here's a pro tip. If your zoom gets stuck or feels extremely slow, it usually means your view is too close to the pivot point. Press Numpad period on an object to reset the pivot and fix the zoom speed instantly. Once you get comfortable with these shortcuts, moving around in Blender becomes second nature. You'll save time, work more accurately, and feel a lot more in control of your projects. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe for more Blender tips, and I'll see you in the next one.